Hi, I'm Zehra, a Year 2 student currently pursuing a diploma in Tamil Studies with early education from the School of Humanities and Social Sciences. And you're watching, of course, NP, where I'll be showing you what a day in the life of an NP student in my course is like. Now, before we start school today, I wanted to share more about my course so that you will know what to expect if you're considering to take it up. So since young, I've been interested in joining the teaching industry and I've always been passionate about the Tamil language and culture. I came to know about the scholarships, internships and the various types of modules that CSE provides at NP, which will help me to become a Tamil language educator. This is a one-of-a-kind diploma only offered in NP that will help me to nurture the next generation and make my dreams a reality. Alright, enough chatter. Let's head to school to show you what I mean. I'm heading to Makan Place to have my breakfast. I bought my usual iced chocolate and marble cake, which is just perfect for that morning. Before my class starts, I'm looking through my tutorial slides to get a better sense of what's being taught today. Now I'm heading to my first class, which is Language and Literacy. Language and Literacy mainly focuses on introducing the theoretical and philosophical underpinnings of language and literacy development from birth to 6 years of age. We get to learn to design a literacy-rich environment, planning experiences for diverse learners, and many more. For today's class, we are focusing on supporting children to decode and use word recognition skills. This helps us to understand how to help children be fluent in reading and build their foundations. So next up, I'm headed over to the library to attend my Aesthetic and Creative Expression online lesson. I'm now in one of the comfortable student pods in the library that are available for students to book. The Aesthetic and Creative Expression is one of my favorite modules as it focuses on both arts and music and there's plenty of hands-on activities. For today's class, we are having a virtual tour of the National Gallery that helps us students to learn more about the artworks through close looking and active dialogues. This module introduces students to visual and performing arts. Additionally, we will also be introduced to progressive theories on arts education to build firm foundation on the key roles within the early setting. Since we have more time now, let's find out more about CSE from my level coordinator, Ms. Darshini. Hello, Ms. Darshini. Thank you for joining me today. So what are some career pathways for students who are in this course?
Okay, for TSC students, you will be a full-fledged preschool teacher. You can teach Tamil language, also an English language, but you need to satisfy the English requirement as EDA prescribed. With further training, you can explore other wide range of career prospects like child therapy, child services, and early intervention, play therapy, curriculum development, and many more other range of early childhood related career options as well.
It was very interesting, Ms. Darshini. Thank you so much.
With pleasure, Zehra.
That marks the end of my day and I hope I've helped you understand more about CSE. Do tell us in the comment section down below on which course you'd like to see next and what was your favorite part of this video. I've got to go now. Bye!